You are a smart, capable healthcare owner. You built your clinic or ALF from the ground up, so you figure, why pay an expensive specialist? I can just use a cheap online software and do my medical bookkeeping and taxes myself. It feels like you are saving money, but here's the brutal truth. Doing it yourself is actually the most expensive tax mistake a medical professional can make. While you think you are saving a few $100 on CPA fees, you are silently shrinking your facility's profit margin by tens of thousands of dollars. I'm Larry Davis, enrolled agent and founder of Tax Help. We help healthcare owners across all 50 states build accurate medical books and lower their taxes. Today, I'm going to explain exactly why do-it-yourself accounting is a massive illusion for medical facilities, and why trying to be your own CFO is secretly keeping your clinic financially behind. Why does DIY prep hurt you? Because basic software only knows what you tell it. It is a data entry tool, not a healthcare tax strategist. When you do your own clinic's books, you are only focused on compliance, just trying not to get audited. But basic software isn't looking for advanced medical loopholes. It won't tell you how to accelerate depreciation on your new X-ray machine, and it can't strategically plan your Medicaid revenue. You make good money, but you feel behind because you are overpaying the IRS out of pure caution and a lack of complex healthcare tax code knowledge. You don't have a shrinking profit margin because your patient care is failing. You have it because you do not have a tax and financial system you can trust. A trusted system takes the massive burden of medical bookkeeping and complex taxes completely off your plate. It replaces guesswork with absolute certainty. When you implement a trusted system, you stop playing defense with your facility's money and start playing offense, keeping more of the wealth you earn. If you are still doing your own clinic's books or taxes, it is time to step out of the data entry role and step into the role of a true healthcare CEO. You need a complete review of your financial system. Schedule your tax, health tax, and financial health assessment today. We will take over your compliance and find the medical deductions you've been leaving on the table. Click the link below to book your assessment right now.